Hi, I'm Leon and I'm going to read for you. Is that
Okay, let's hear.
Socks was a fox. Socks saw a hen. Yum, yum. Socks hid, but the hen saw socks. The hen met a rat. Run, rat. The rat met a cat. Run, cat. The cat met a dog. Run, dog. The dog met a pig. Run, pig. The rat, cat, dog, and pig ran, but the hen sat. Run, hen, run! The hen ran. The fox did not get the hen. The end.
Very, very good.